You ready for our Torquay holiday?
Yep, just quickly grab this just in case I get chilly.
Oh, it's supposed to be hot.
You never know. Might get chilly at night.
I think it sits quite well on the road, doesn't it?
It does.
Ready for our trip?
We are.
Our week away?
I hope we've got the stuff here to put all this on.
What, the flywire?
Yeah, I hope it's in there.
Nah,
Oh,
I don't know where it is.
Shopping.
Let's make sure this is all turned off. Yep, that's handbrake thing. Gonna make sure that this is flipped off because it's a mechanical brake. But anyway, let's go. We're off.
We're off.
Okay.
Oh my god.
All right. Here we go. A week away.
Mwah! Does that make us puke or what? Bye.
See ya.
Okay, so just past the Kyneton turn off and we had a lovely man in red jude communicating with my husband. There was lots of head nodding and hands going like this, and we're sitting there going okay, and and we sort of kept going. Then there was another car sort of indicating to us that something was going on, so we pulled over the Caravan, and well, the back what do you call it, honey, that you put on the Caravan? The window cover thing that Richard popped on. The plastic bit, and that, well, somebody forgot to clip it, and so it was basically waving to everybody going hello. So anyway, that's Richard clipped it, so now it's all locked in.
Hey guys, right, we're here. So there's the Caravan, and we've got there's caravans everywhere. You'll see everywhere. They're all, the place is packed. Anyway, this is our little spot. So under these little trees. So we're on a bit of a sandy sort of hill. So I've had to use the levelers. Nick's in there getting things ready. Okay, next door's setting up a tent. I'll just go around the back, show you the back. That's our change room right here, and toilet area. Here's our water and power, and there's our little bit there. So we're all set up now. So I had to use the levelers. Use the levelers there. Anyway, there you go. So we're here. Finally got here. What time is it? 3:30. And you can hear the ocean. The ocean's just over there. And you can smell the sea. So there you go. Alright, stay tuned for the next update. We're just going to have a cuppa and probably go for a walk. What do you think of our spot?
I'm just glad we're here. I'm glad it's set up. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah.
And I want to go and have a drink and have something to eat because I'm hungry and I need alcohol.
Oh. So look what we've got here. Very nice. So we have a few little nibbles and stuff, and then like I said, we'll go for a walk, won't we? Yep. Right, so next morning, hi guys. Nick's gonna make some toast for herself. I'm going for a little walk, just to show you what's around. Anyway, sorry, you're making some toast, Nick.
I am. Morning.
All right, we had a pretty good night's sleep, didn't we?
We did.
Yep. All right, I'm off. I'll come back. All right, off we go. So you can see. So So we're there. Obviously we're there. Jammed up, that's our spot. And that's what you see. So we'll go for a walk. There's like over 100 caravans in this one section, and there's like 4 sections. So you can see down there. So there's a couple of permanent ones here that you can rent. I like that one, it's a cool one. So there's 2 permanents there. I really like that one there, that's nice. There's some really big ones, big caravans here. So I feel a big one there. And so we're walking towards the beach. A big one. This one here, they were going to park next to us. And then they realised they couldn't park next to us. Because look how bloody big it is. Yeah, I really like that setup, that's nice. And there's also little tent things up here that you can hire, and see there's little tent things up here. You can hire them on like a wooden platform thing. Down there. We'll go up to the beach and I'll show you the beach. No one's really up, so it's a good time to video. So here's the toilet and the washing, and there's these tent things. So if you're not into camping but you're like tenting sort of half it, you can go there. Let's go have a look at the beach. This is Torquay Beach. We're literally 50 metres away from the beach. So there's more caravans down there. There's the beach. Look at that. For those that are familiar with Torquay, that's the Surf Life Saving Club down there. So they normally do the flags down here somewhere, and there's a grass area you can sit and eat food or whatever you want to do. So there you go. That's one of the beaches at Torquay here. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Alright, so we're walking back, and there's also public toilets there with showers and that type of thing. And there's also like a shower set up here as well. You can rinse off. So that's pretty cool. There's heaps of things here. It's awesome. It doesn't even feel like you're camping. Alright, I'm going to go to the loo, and then we'll head on back to the caravan. Alright, so she's 9 o'clock. There's a concert down near the roundabout at Torquay. Alright, there's our setup there. Got the light on. There's Nick down there. And there's our little setup with our lights. If you can see that. There we go. So it's like 9:30. We're going to have a few drinks, Hello, Nick.
Hello, Richard.
What do we got in the fridge?
Want a jelly shot?
Oh, why not? What do we got in here?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Yeah, I like watermelon. Let's have a... Oh, what was that? You broke it.
Oh, no, I did.
What'd you do?
I broke that bit. Oh, you should not get jelly shots out of
Nicole.
it. Not concentrate, I just broke
What
it.
did you break?
I broke that. The top of the...
Oh, it's only the end. That's okay.
Oh, no, but I broke it.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, no. Not good, huh? Not good. Oh, dear.
Okay. I'll wait out here for you.
I got excited about the jelly shot.
So there was kids running around everywhere.
Having fun.
And we did have a possum here. We had a possum just there. Over there. So if we can see anything with the possum footage, I'll put it up. But anyway, Nick made me shit myself a little bit. She goes, "Oh my God." And I thought it was a snake, but it was a possum.
I don't think he realises we're here.
You know?
No, I don't.
I must do. Just having some toast with Vegemite, mate. Australia, buddy. She's looking at me weirdly because I'm doing an Aussie accent. G'day, mate. Hey, we're on the beach.
Very windy. There we go. Oh, hang on. No, I'm doing it. No, I'm not. Oh, what's that one? I don't know. I don't know what that button is. Hey, there you go. There you are. There's the beach. Woo! There's the wind. Yeah. It's a wind facial today. A wind facial. Yes, we are. We're gonna tiptoe through the waves. Okay. Ciao. Let's stop now.
Well, I haven't seen him fight yet. Hey guys, it's the second last day. Got some bacon going on. Just had a cuppa. A little bit of sausage as well. Anyway, she's a little bit windy today. A little bit windy today. Oh, sorry. Oh. Oh, yeah. What? What was the best bit?
The eggs.
Oh, here we go. nice. So we've had a couple of people leave. These two over here have gone, that one and that one. She's actually pretty windy today. Let's come out and have a look. We're going to go for a drive today. So that's everyone there. No one's really up. It's these two have gone. There's a couple that live here they've been there for 6 months, and they've gone away on a holiday. I actually thought they were on a holiday, but obviously not. So she's windy today. You can see the sky. It's a little bit grey. Anyway, there you go. So we're going to have some brekkie. And then go for a drive. But anyway, second last day, it's bloody been enjoyable. So really nice. We spent a bit of time at the beach. Can't really video the beach swimming, but no, it's been really good. The caravan's amazing. So it did rain the other night, and we had a little bit of dirt and that down here, but for our second experience, I think it's been bloody good. What we have seen is people put on the tap around the side there, they put like another little wash one so you can wash your feet. So we'll probably do that later. But anyway, we're about to go have some brekkie. We'll have some brekkie soon and go for a drive. Cheers. Alright, there we go. We've packed up. Next, off to the toilet before we go on our trip. So we've packed it all up. There we go. We'll be off. Hope you like the video. People are still waking up, so I'm being quiet. Alright, cheers guys. Hope you like that one.